So imagine a major event in a city like Margao, Panjim, where thousands of people gather together, and this gathering basically needs a critical and effective police deployment. Okay, so the current system, right, that relies completely on manual checks and phone calls, which are quite slow and ineffective. You all might have received calls from your junior police officers which say, "अरे पात्राव, काही रावपाचे, आमकां कांयच खबर ना." And this traditional method is also inefficient and it doesn't look over the real-time oversights, and it also gives a delayed response. Okay, so this issues creates gaps in security, slows down the response time, and puts officers at a disadvantage. Okay, so while talking about government agencies like Goa Police, for them top-notch security is must. So we present to you all e-bandobast, a digital tool which focuses on efficient police deployment and real-time tracking during a large events. We have implemented all the points which were mentioned as in the requirement.
So we'll be showing you all the demo of the abstract which we have built for now, which is quite functional also. So what we have done is here the user has to sign up or sign in basically, and if the user doesn't has an account, he has to create an account. So here what we have done is we have kept two roles, which is the supervisor and the other one is a police officer. So the user can either be a police officer or a supervisor and create an account based on it. For that, just enter the basic details like email address, phone number, password, etc., and then create an account. For now, let's see what the supervisor gets to see once he creates an account. So this is the dashboard for the supervisor, as the supervisor can create events and all. So in order to create a new event, he has to basically enter the details regarding the event, description and all, like location and all, then how many officers are required, zone radius, and etc. And what we have done is, suppose a police officer during an event tries to escape or like tries to leave the zone radius, a warning message will be generated which will be sent to the supervisor and the police officer both. So this is just of creating an event, and if the supervisor wants to upload the list of the officers participating in the event, he can do that also. So he just has to enter the excel sheet, okay, so which was in the requirement list. So this is what the supervisor will be viewing. So monitor events, view reports. So we haven't created an event, that's why it's showing that pop-up. And one also extraordinary feature what which we tried to implement is, suppose a police officer wants to take an holiday or leave during an event, so he can do that also. So basically he needs to raise a request from the app, which will be dependent upon the supervisor to accept it or reject. And this is a performance report. Here we have used AI model which will be generating the AI report, which will be generating performance report, sorry, and then we can export it, and that's it. So now we'll be seeing what the police officers will be doing. This was a basic dashboard for the supervisor. So for the police officer, let's see what we have. So this is the only page that the police officer will be viewing. So here we'll be having the details regarding the event and all, and the assessment is basically the event. And that's it. This was a small abstract from us. Thank you.